Today we're making something so easy and so ridiculously delicious. Perfect for lunch, brunch, breakfast, snack. Anytime you can have this hot, warm, room temperature. That's right, today we're making a zucchini ricotta pie. So versatile, so delicious. Oh, you're gonna love it. For a full copy of today's recipe, check us out on Facebook at Poppy's Cucina, or just wait till the end of the video, it's gonna be right there for you. So let's do this, yum! Alrighty, so the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then you need two medium-sized zucchinis. Everybody's medium is different than everybody else's, so essentially you need about 4 cups. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut off the ends. Cut it in half. And then we're going to cut these into thin slices. See, nice and easy, right? Just like that. Then, in a large bowl, you're going to whisk together 4 large eggs, 1 cup of whole milk ricotta, along with a 1/4 cup of a good extra virgin olive oil. All right, so now whisk this all together until it's all nice and smooth. And then you're going to add a 1/4 cup of chopped green onions, or scallions, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, along with your salt and pepper to taste. Now you're going to whisk that all together. Then you're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, mix that in. And then you're going to fold in 1 cup of shredded mozzarella. And then lastly, you're going to fold in your 4 cups of thinly sliced zucchini. You don't have to over-mix it, just mix it until pretty much the zucchini is just covered with the batter. Just like that. Now ready to bake. So here I have my 9-inch baking dish that I sprayed thoroughly with a non-stick cooking spray. Now we're gonna add this to here. I just want to make it nice and even on top. Just like that. Now it's ready for the oven. So into your preheated 350 degree oven, it's gonna go for about 40 to 50 minutes. Start checking it around the 40-minute mark. You want to stick a toothpick in the middle. If it comes out clean, you're good. If it's still wet, not good. But it should take about 45 minutes. Maybe 50, depending on the oven. All right, but into the oven it's gonna go. Oh, it's gonna be so good, I can't wait. So we just pulled this out of the oven. Took a little bit longer than I thought it would. It took about 55 minutes, which seemed about right to me, but look how golden brown it is, and it smells incredible. Absolutely incredible. So we're gonna allow it to cool on a rack for about 10-15 minutes, then we're gonna slice it up and give it a try. But you don't have to eat this hot. You can eat it hot, warm, room temperature. Even on the coolish side, it would still be delicious, but yum. Buon appetito. A little crispy on the outside. Ridiculously creamy and delicious on the inside. You get the cheese, you get the thyme, you absolutely get the zucchini, and it's such a wonderful way to make it, and it's so simple. You're gonna love it. Mother's Day brunch, anyone? So if you try this recipe, let us know. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again soon.
If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Poppy's Cucina. Thanks!
It's like the perfect zucchini quiche. Ready for that drink? I'm ready. Let's do this. Alrighty, so for today's Pyro Peach, we're gonna start with 1.5 ounces of tequila. Then we're gonna do 1 ounce of peach schnapps. Oh, running low. We're going to do a splash of raspberry liqueur. Let's get a nice little floralness to it. Then we're going to do 2 ounces of sour mix. Now we're going to give this a good shaky. Oh, wait. Forgot the pyro part. Now you're going to take 1 dried chili, put those seeds out, put it right in there. Now we're going to give it a good shaky. And we pour. Let's see. Look how pretty that is. And it's perfectly peach. Oh, I see some pepper in there. Fun. Salute. It smells so peachy. There's the burn. Imagine just biting or just drinking a really super peachy margarita with a nice burn finish. Oh, it's fabulous. The spice is not overwhelming, but it's so pleasant, and it just cuts the sweet perfectly in this. You got to try this. If you do, let us know. If you try that incredible zucchini ricotta pie, you are going to love it. Trust me. Thank you so much for watching. Keep those suggestions coming. Please, I need new ideas. I love you guys. Mwah.